This video is to show you how to use these things. Lever connectors. You might be thinking, no, yeah, it's quite easy to do. Yeah, some people know, some people have no idea. That's why I'm making this video, to explain how to use them. I want to remove this. It's a fused connection unit. Some people will call it a spur. Whatever. I want to remove it temporarily. So the first thing to do is to turn the mains off. I shall do that now. Once you've turned the mains off, it's then safe to remove the screws. As you see, there's a few wires that may be live even though I've turned the mains off, but it's okay. I use my mains tester and it is dead, not me. As I said, because I want to temporarily remove it, I'm going to use one of these. Herein lies the problem. Let's have a closer look. We've got blue, brown and what should be green yellow. So this is neutral, this is live, and that's earth. Yep, I can put all of those into here. Or can I? Let's have a closer look at a lever connector to find out if I can do that or if I can't. And if I can't, what should I do? Here is the lever connector I had earlier. First of all, I need to explain something about a digital multimeter. At the minute you see the display shows OL, that is over limit. If I join its two leads together, you'll see it comes down to 0. That means a dead short. If you have a dead short on the mains, it will go bang, or it will trip the MCB on, if you do it totally wrong, the RCD. But that's not the point. I'm not going to do that here because it's dangerous, shall we say. However, what I can show you is what would happen but using this multimeter. As I said earlier, here's a lever connector. I'm going to put in the blue wire. Press the lever down. I'm now going to connect the brown wire. But watch what happens. Doesn't matter where I put it in. There we are. The meter is now showing close as it can to 0. In other words, it is a dead short. That is because the way these lever connectors work, there's a metal strip running inside that connects all the 5 metal levers to each other. It does not matter which one you connect to where. I'll show you. I'll take it out of here. I'll take it out of that one. And I'll put it in this one here. Same result, because all 5 of them are connected to each other. Likewise, if you opt for this sort, this one has 3 connectors. The same thing will happen. I'll show you. I'll put one in that side. You'll notice the meter is showing OL, which is good. As soon as I connect the brown one, I'll put it in this side. Again, the meter has gone close as it can to 0, which is not good. It would go bang. So what should you do? You remove one of them. I'm just going to choose the brown one. You get another connector and you put the wire in that, because this one is not connected to that one. You could have used this style of connector, but I just happen to have more of these sitting around. It doesn't matter if you've got these in 3 or 5 way, but as long as you put one wire in each block, you're perfectly safe. You can now turn the mains back on and nothing will go bang, and it's perfectly isolated. Obviously you don't leave these hanging about. You put them in a box, or if you're only doing it for a couple of hours, that's fine. But if you intend to leave it for a day or two, cover them with a box so no one can pull them off. If you like this content, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like this content, hit the thumbs up button 3 times. If you'd like to show your support for the channel, please buy me a coffee, link down below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.